Here at Mitchell Toyota in San Angelo, Texas. Thanks for taking a moment to review this brief video.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include premium sound system, leather seats, sun moonroof, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, navigation system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver lumbar. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.